This is a great way to use up leftover candy canes you have lying around. Learn how to make a candy cane white fudge with this recipe, brought to you by recipes.net. Start by adding the white chocolate and condensed milk in a pot. Stir frequently over medium-high heat for 5 minutes until melted and smooth. Then, pour the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle the crushed peppermint candies on top of the mixture, then lightly swirl into the white chocolate mixture using a knife. Let it chill for 6 hours or overnight until firm. Once firm, cut into square, diamond, or rectangular shapes, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.